Passwords are the first line of defense we have to protect our personal and financial information. So using a common or very simple one is almost the same as leaving the door of your house open. It's not good security. Today, however, we're going to tell you how you can make a strong password in just 1 minute. But before we do, it's important to note that it doesn't matter what word or phrase you use, so long as you take precautions. Let's use your favorite movie character as an example. Now Rocky is certainly a strong character, but the password isn't. We need to make some subtle changes. Let's begin by adding a few capital letters. Now let's replace a letter with a number. Good. Next, we recommend adding a special character for more security. This is much better, but it could be further improved. It's still too short. Ideally, you should make your password longer than 10 characters. Excellent! But one more piece of advice. Don't just think of passwords as a word or two. They can be whole sentences or phrases that you would never forget. Don't believe us? Take a look. Hard to forget it, right? The truth is that an attacker would take more than 2,000 years to decipher that password, and you only needed a minute to create it. So there you go, a quick guide to password security. Now take some time out and update your passwords, make them stronger, and continue enjoying safer technology.